we present a monopedal hopping quadcopter named Hopcopter. Hopcopter is a micro-quadcopter with a springy telescopic leg. This design allows the robot to both hop and fly. To control the jumping trajectory, we proposed a dynamic hopping model and a model-based controller, allowing the robot to follow a prescribed trajectory in a continuous jumping mode. When hopping, the robot shows notably improved power efficiency and endurance compared with flying. This is because the robot only needs to compensate for the energy lost in impact from the landing. This results in a maximum hopping time of over 50 minutes, compared to the 6.3-minute flight time. Besides, by dynamically switching between flying and hopping, synergistic and hybrid locomotion is accomplished. The robot uses the ground to rapidly decelerate and turn during forward flight. These motions can be performed on non-horizontal surfaces. By stepping on the wall and an inclined surface, the robot makes a U-turn and instantaneously stops at the flight speed of 4 meters per second. Hybrid locomotion dramatically boosts agility. For the robot to hop without position feedback, we developed a removable active aerodynamic stabilizer. When equipped with the stabilizer, the hopping dynamics become passively stable. This makes the robot suitable for outdoor operations. We showcase the self-stabilized hopping in stairs, narrow corridors, and unstructured outdoor environments.